In this video, we'll show you how to work with waypoints and routes in BaseCamp. Here's the list of videos you should have watched in order to proceed with this tutorial. The links are in the description. For just a rough indication of distance, you can enable the measure tool and then click along the map. This will only give you straight line distance. You can create a new waypoint by selecting the new waypoint tool and then clicking on the map. To rename the point you just created, you can right click on the point and then select rename. We advise you to select a name you will be able to remember, as well as add a numbering scheme for route creation on your GPS. Another way to rename points is to right click and then select Open to view the properties where you can edit the name. You can also edit other properties in this menu. For example, you may want to change the display of the symbol. To create a route using waypoints, select all the waypoints you'd like to add to the route. Then right click on these points and click Create Route using selected waypoints. To change your route, you can select the Insert tool. This tool will allow you to add a point to your route. Note that it will only add a point to your route, but won't actually create a waypoint. You can click between two existing points in the route, and then somewhere where you want the route to go through. You can right click on your route and then go to Open to view the order of your route waypoints. We don't advise you to use a route on your GPS. Rather, transfer the waypoints to your GPS and then create a route from those waypoints on your GPS. When you delete a route, any edits you've made to it using the Insert tool will also be deleted, as no waypoints were created. So you'll have to manually create a waypoint for the point you want to add to your route. Another way to add a waypoint is to click on a listing in the maps, then on the three dots next to its name, and then on the Create a Waypoint at Selected Result button. You can sort your waypoints and routes by going to the cog button and then selecting Sort By, and then you can change between symbol and name, as well as ascending or descending. To select all points, you can click on a point, then hold down Shift on your keyboard and then click on the last point you want to select. All points in between will then be selected. You can also hold down Ctrl on your keyboard and then click points to add or remove them from the selection. Now that you have all your points selected, you can right click and then click Create Route using selected waypoints. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Here's some videos to watch after this one. The links are in the description.